Today we'll be talking about dairy cows for Sigma Alpha's agriculture in the classroom. So the first big question we're going to answer is, how do we get milk from cows to your grocery store? The dairy industry makes a lot of products you can find in the grocery store, such as cheese, yogurt, butter, and also ice cream. These products are available all across the United States and the world because of dairy farms, just like we have here. Everything starts with the cow. Cows have to eat a lot of food every day, but it's all worth it. Some of the energy from their food is used to help the cow walk around, lay down, and also drink water. The extra energy the cow has goes to making milk. 2 or 3 times a day, the cows that are making milk go into a special building called the milking parlor. The milking parlor has special equipment inside that helps milk the cows in a way that is comfortable for them. The special equipment and the cows both get cleaned off to stop any germs from being added to the milk by accident. After the cows are milked, they get to go back to eating and relaxing just like they were before. What happens when the milk is out of the cow? Well, the milk gets moved. All of the milk from the cows on a farm goes to a huge container called the bulk tank. There, the milk is carefully monitored and cooled down from cow body temperature. Farms then have big tankers come take the milk to facilities across the country. Depending on the number of cows the farm has, they may need trucks to come and transport their milk multiple times a day to get everything to a processing facility. To make sure your milk is safe, milk goes through a special process called pasteurization. This means the milk is quickly heated and then cooled back down to a refrigerated temperature. Pasteurization will kill any bacteria if the cows or any of the special equipment came in contact with any germs or bacteria. After it is safe, milk can be packaged and distributed to grocery stores, or other dairy products can be made from the milk. Let's talk a little bit about how some of these dairy products are made. To make ice cream, milk is combined with sugar, salt, and a variety of other ingredients at a cold temperature. Additional toppings and flavors could be added to make each ice cream flavor unique. To make cheese, there are a number of steps that the milk has to go through. Special chemicals called enzymes help separate the whey and the curd from milk. This picture shows the curd, which is used for Culver's cheese curds, as well as any other kind of cheese curd that you find in a store. Special bacteria are also added to help add distinct flavors and make each cheese taste different. And finally, to make butter, milk is churned to create a creamy texture of butter. All these products start with milk and end up as something totally different. Some people even enjoy making some of these dairy products at home themselves. Let's talk about a few terms that we use commonly in the dairy industry. A calf is any baby cattle. Calves refers to a group of baby cattle. A heifer is a young animal that has not produced milk before. A cow is an animal that has produced milk before and may continue to produce milk. A dry cow is a cow that is not currently producing milk, but will likely produce milk in the future. A herd refers to all animals typically just on one farm, which would refer to an entire herd of dairy cattle, meaning all the cows on just one farm. Finally, let's go over some common breeds of cows that you may see. Here are just a few examples of the cattle that are used for milking. Each breed of cow has different traits that make it unique. For example, Jersey cows produce high-fat milk, which is often used for cheese making. In the United States, the Holstein is the most popular breed of cattle. If you see a black and white cow out in the field, or lots of black and white cows together, they're likely Holsteins, and that likely means that you are seeing a dairy farm. Thank you for learning all about dairy with me.